This is inside the top bar hive. As you can see, the bees there are capping off comb, and the comb goes all the way down to the bottom of the hive. I'll try and pick it up so I can show you. You can see it. Being a top bar, they produce the comb along the top of the bar. This is one that I repaired. As you can see, I repaired it with the clips as I broke it accidentally earlier in the year. But they've carried on building from it, so no great losses. Oops. It's not easy videoing. Oh, with sticky fingers. Right, I'm going to show you now what happens when you allow Defra to inspect your hive. The inspector came out the other week, pulled out some of the combs to check them, and as you can see, they hadn't put the bars back correctly. So now there's a build-up of propolis in between the top bars, which I have to put right. So this video I'm also going to send on to Defra to show them the incompetence of their inspectors. So I'm going to get on with the inspection of the hive. Let me see if I can just get this comb out to show you. Oh, I could do with a second pair of hands here. Ouch, I have just been stung. There we go. And there's another comb in there. Right, I'm going to get on with closing this up now. So I'll catch you all later on UK survival for them.